What's up, my Kai babes? Welcome back to another video. In today's video will be sponsored by Wiggins Hair. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into what they sent me. Here goes the hair, you guys. I love the packaging, how it came. Very professional, very cute. It's a 24-inch invisible lace, human hair, medium cap size, HD lace, y'all. This is how the hair comes. It is body wave. It already comes curled. Let me open it up for you. So here is the hair straight out the pack, y'all. Very cute. Curls giving volume. I love the color. As y'all can see, this is different than like the hair I got now because the highlights are way more blonde, and I love this. Like, I love it. As y'all can see, baby, this lace is HD. It's definitely already pre-plucked. Like, baby, where is the lace? And it is already pre-bleached. Where is the knots? So it automatically come in this middle part. Yes, y'all, I am loving this hair already. The curls, I know they're gonna hold. I know they're gonna give what they need to give. I got my photo shoot tomorrow, so I will be getting my hair did tomorrow. They also sent me some goodies, so let me see. We got some lashes, a edge brush, a lace band, and some HD wig caps. So make sure y'all check them out. Everything for this hair will be linked down below. I know this look is gonna eat, so make sure y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, and at the end I will be giving you guys a full review of the hair. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like the video and comment and subscribe if you're not already. And yeah,
Burning
So y'all have made it to the end of the video. This was after I took the pin curls out. As y'all can see, the curls were giving, baby. Like, these curls were so cute. The hair is super soft. I've been getting so many compliments on the hair. You can definitely tell from the quality of the hair that it is 100% human hair, and that lace is undetectable, okay? Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. This was definitely my favorite install of the year. Let me know how y'all feel about it down below, and make sure to check my description box for all information regarding this hair. And without further ado, I will catch y'all in the next video.